Hey fam, thanks so much for joining us today. So you guys, I have Chef Harper joining me today. We are going to be making her famous sugar cookies together. So I'm coming along with Harper today, and she's going to teach me how to make her famous cookies, and I am so excited about it. So Harper, thanks for joining me today.
Hi, thank you for inviting me. I'm super excited to make sugar cookies.
Oh, yay. You guys excited as Harper and I? So, Harper, I'm going to let you drive and you tell me what to do. I already got my ingredients together because you sent me an email. So, I made sure I had everything ready. So, I'm just going to follow your direction and we're going to make these cookies.
Okay.
Okay.
First, you need to preheat the oven to 350,
Okay. One moment.
375.
Okay. One moment. I'll hit it 375. Okay. I'm all set, Harper.
Now you need to add the dry ingredients,
Okay.
which are flour, baking soda, and baking powder.
Okay. And just go ahead and start pouring them all in together into a big bowl.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Got my flour, my baking soda, and baking powder. Okay, I got all of that together, Harper.
And now you need to stir it.
Okay, blend it in really well.
So for the wet ingredients, you need to have butter,
Okay.
sugar, an egg, and some vanilla extract, and you have to put it inside of a bowl to mix.
Okay, let me get all that in my bowl here. I went and got a separate bowl for that, since you told me I need a separate one for wet ingredients and one for dry. So Harper, you're gonna mix yours in that nice machine. I don't have a fancy machine. I'm gonna use a bowl, okay? Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay. Woo, Harper, I'm gonna have some muscles by the time I finish. Woo, you're just sitting back enjoying. Harper, do you use that for most of your recipes when you're baking? You use the machine to whip all your ingredients together?
Yes.
Okay, that's fancy. I'm gonna have to get one of those, Harper. I like that.
So now you have to add the dry ingredients with the wet ingredients.
Okay. And Harper, we're just gonna add that a little at a time, right?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm adding my flour.
So I like staying clean. So I'm going to clean up my area real quick.
Okay, I'm gonna take care of cleaning up mine too. See, that's what a real chef does, clean up as they go along.
Okay. So now you have to make your dough into little balls.
Okay. And Harper, guess what I'm gonna do? When I was little, I would put flour. Let me show you. I get this flour and I just put some flour on my hand, and it makes it so much easier to roll your little balls because they don't get as sticky. You should try that. You have some extra flour?
Yep.
Perfect. You try it, see if you like it.
Do I just stick my hand in it?
Yep, just stick your hand in and kind of mesh your hand in it together. Yeah, perfect. And then get you some dough, and it shouldn't mess up your recipe.
And make sure that you spread them out so they won't, because when cookies get bigger, they sometimes can spread to each other and make this one big cookie.
Oh, okay. I'll make sure I leave enough space in between each cookie. Awesome.
I have to put a lot of dough together right now so I can make the gingerbread. Not the gingerbread man, the nutcracker, because he's this big, so it's gonna.
Oh, that nutcracker is really big.
Mm-hmm. Last year I performed inside the nutcracker, so that's why I have a nutcracker.
You were in like at your school play. You performed in the nutcracker? Oh,
like in the one where you go into the theater.
Oh, wow.
Well, making shapes is harder than I thought.
It is. It can be harder, can it? Especially, I think, like we said, if the cookie dough isn't chilled, the shapes don't come out as nice. So we learn. Okay, let me see yours all finished now, Harper. Oh my gosh, yours are spaced out so perfectly. I love it. Okay, Harper, here's my reveal.
Ooh,
I
great
have
job.
a gingerbread lady. I did some of the sprinkles like you, and I did a star. So now you tell me what I need to do next.
Next, you put the cookies into the oven and they bake for 10 minutes.
Okay, so, and Harper, I hear my buzzer going off. I'm gonna check.
Yes, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. My oven just went off. Works upside. Mine right here.
Oh, yours turned out so pretty, Harper.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll show you mine now. So see how my star and my two round ones kind of bumped in together? And my gingerbread lady, she's a little chunky. She resembles me, kind of full-figured gingerbread lady. And Harper, I think I'm gonna stick the, remember me and you talked about the chocolate drop? So I'm gonna try that now that it's done so that it'll start melting. Okay, Harper, you said let it sit for 2 minutes so it can cool?
On a wire rack.
Okay, perfect. Okay, mine are now cooled, Harper. So I'm actually gonna put them on a plate so we can see how nice they turned out.
Okay, I'm going to grab a plate.
Okay.
Sometimes a cookie would get stuck, like you can't get it. So you just have to like, what's the word? You're just gonna have to move it a little bit, and then it'll eventually it'll eventually not be stuck anymore.
Okay, just wiggle it a little bit.
So now I have milk and my cookie.
I didn't get my milk. Just one moment, Harper. I forgot about the milk because we're gonna do a taste test, right? Okay, hold on one second. So Harper, I'm gonna show you my cookies to show you how they turned out. So I did the one with the chocolate chip in the middle.
Ooh, that's cool.
That with the chocolate kiss. Then I did the sugar like you did. And I was able to do one frosted with sprinkles. So let me see yours. Oh, you have yours stacked so beautifully. Oh, they look so great.
I was trying to do like a pyramid.
Okay, Harper, cheers to you.
Cheers.
Cheers. Okay, we're gonna taste one. Let's see. Let the cooks taste. Mine tastes so good. How about yours? Really good. So Harper, thank you so much for taking time to bake sugar cookies with me today, and both of us trying some fun designs. And I learned some things from you. You learned the new hand flour trick from me that you can use now. So thank you so much. And I'll leave some out for Santa. I'll have to make him a new batch though, so that his are fresh when he comes. But I appreciate you cooking with me today, Harper.
So thank you for having me. I had a lot of fun and I cannot wait to do this next time.
Yeah, maybe one day we can bake something else together. Okay, sounds like fun. Well, I will see you next time, Harper. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.